Hello students, today we will discuss question answers of the rat trap. So the first question from the text is, from where did the peddler get the idea of the world being a rat trap? वर्ल्ड की rat trap होने का जो आइडिया है that was taken from where by the peddler. So peddler was always plodding along the road to sell his rat traps. One day during one of his ploddings, he stuck to an idea that this whole world is like a rat trap. So, from where during one of his ploddings, he got this idea that the whole world is like a rat trap, and the riches and joys, hitting and clothes, these are only the temptations, like a bat for a trap, for a rat. These things also attract the human beings towards it, and anyone when touches it, it closes in on him. And the person who had been caught in this world rat trap, he couldn't come out of the rat trap. Second question, why was he amused by this idea? He was amused by this idea because the world had never been kind to him. He was chased away wherever he had gone. जहाँ भी वो जाता उसको चेंज कर दिया जाता, उसको भगा दिया जाता. एंड दैट्स वाई वर्ल्ड वॉज नेवर काइंड टू हिम. सो इन दैट वे ही वॉज enjoying this idea. He was enjoying this idea by thinking the ill of the people who were always having bad behavior, rude behavior. Next question. Did the peddler expect the kind of hospitality that he received from the crofter? Actually, peddler had never expected such type of hospitality or kindness that he received from the crofter, because he had been always chased away wherever he asked for the shelter. जहाँ भी वो shelter मांगता उसको भगा दिया जाता. So he was not even expecting from the crofter that he would welcome him, he would give him shelter, he would play with him, or he would give him food. He was not expecting all that. Then the next question comes, why was the crofter so talkative and friendly with the peddler, or why did he provide him food and give him shelter? Actually, crofter was an old man who was living alone in the cottage. He had no wife, no children, and he wants someone to talk, and that's why he was having a talkative and friendly with the peddler. He also served him food, tobacco, and also played with him a game of cards. Next one, why did he show 30 kroner to the peddler? Why did crofter show 30 kroner to the peddler? 30 kroner उसने क्यों दिखा दी उसकी? Because crofter was thinking that this person, this peddler, this person is not believing in him that he had 30 kroners. So to give him an evidence, or to give him a belief that really I have 30 rupees, he had shown the 30 kroners. पेडलर है वो बिलीव ही नहीं कर रहा था उसकी बात के ऊपर. इट सीम्ड दैट ही वॉज नॉट बिलीविंग, ही वॉज इनक्रेडिलियस, एंड दैट्स वाई टू मेक बिलीव टू हिम ही हैड शोन दोज 30 kroner टू हिम. डिड द पेडलर रिस्पेक्ट द कॉन्फिडेंस रिपोज्ड इन हिम बाय द क्रॉफ्टर? जो रिस्पेक्ट क्रॉफ्टर ने उसके अंदर रखा था, उसको पैसा दिखाया, एक कॉन्फिडेंस दिखाया, एक रिस्पेक्ट किया उसको. डिड ही रिस्पेक्ट दैट? पेडलर ने क्या उसका रिस्पेक्ट किया? नो, पेडलर डिड नॉट रिस्पेक्ट द कॉन्फिडेंस रिपोज्ड इन हिम बाय द क्रॉफ्टर. एट द फर्स्ट अपॉर्चुनिटी ही वेंट टू द कॉटेज एंड जस्ट smashing the pane of the cottage, he had stolen the money that was hanged in the money leather pouch. Next question. what made the peddler think that he had indeed fallen into a rat trap? ऐसी कौन सी बात सी थी कि पेडलर ने ये सोचा कि वो वास्तव में रैट ट्रैप में फंस चुका है? When he was in the forest was confusing and deep. He couldn't come out of the forest because that was he was just moving in the same direction, in the same place, and he had tried a lot but he couldn't come out. At last he thought that he was fallen into the world of rat trap because he had stolen the 30 kroner and now he is in trap and he would never come out of it. इससे वो कभी बाहर नहीं आ पाएगा. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, व्हाई डिड द आयरन मास्टर स्पीक काइंडली टू द पेडलर इन इनवाइट? आयरन मास्टर है उसने काइंडली क्यों बोला पेडलर को, एंड व्हाई डिड ही इनवाइट हिम होम? आयरन मास्टर एक्चुअली हैड he had mistaken to recognize peddler. He thought that he is one of old acquaintance of him in army, and that's why he had invited him home to see such a condition of one of his old friend. Next question, why did the peddler decline the invitation? Peddler ने invitation क्यों decline कर दिया आयरन मास्टर का? because peddler know very well that he is not a friend of this person, friend of iron master, and he also very well knew that if he would go there at iron master's house, his reality would come and he could be also arrested for the stealing money of 30 kroner. Next question, yes, what made peddler accept Adela Williamson's invitation? ऐसा क्या हुआ कि पेडलर ने एडला विलियमसन का इनविटेशन है वो एक्सेप्ट कर लिया? एडला विलियमसन हैड मोर प्रिसिशन पावर देन हिज हर फादर. शी हैड इनवाइटेड हिम इन सच ए फ्रेंडली मैनर दैट दिस पेडलर saw a type of confidence in her. So the sympathetic and kind behavior of the Adela Williamson changed the mind of peddler and he had accepted the invitation of Adela. And also she had promised that as he had come here he could also go from there. जैसे वो आया है उसी प्रकार से वो जा सकता था वहाँ से. Next question, what doubts did Adela have about the peddler? एडला को पेडलर के बारे में क्या डाउट हुए? एट द वेरी फर्स्ट साइट व्हेन पेडलर वाज फ्राइटेंड शी थॉट दैट ईदर ही हैड स्टोलन सम मनी और ही हैड एस्केप्ड फ्रॉम द चेन. सो हर observance is totally different from her father. Next question, when did the iron master realize his mistake? Iron master realized his mistake, that he had done a mistake, when Iron Master saw that person into broader daylight. In the broader daylight he could not have a mistake. Only in the dim light of the furnace he had done a mistake to recognize his old friend. What did the peddler say in his defense when it was clear that he was not the person the Iron Master had thought he was? पेडलर ने क्या कहा अपने डिफेंस में जब सच्चाई सामने आ गई? इट वॉज क्लियर दैट ही वॉज नॉट द पर्सन द आयरन मास्टर वॉज थिंकिंग ऑफ. सो द पेडलर से दैट इट वॉज नॉट हिज फॉल्ट, कि उसकी गलती नहीं थी. ही नेवर मेड प्रिटेंडेड हिमसेल्फ अदर देन अ पुअर ट्रेडर, कि वो तो हमेशा पुअर ट्रेडर ही बन के रहना चाहता था. ही ओनली वांटेड टू स्टे इन द फॉग फॉर द नाइट एंड ही नेवर एक्सेप्टेड द इन्विटेशन. कि उसने तो यही कहा था कि वो वहाँ पर फॉग के अंदर रुकना चाहता है. एंड ऑल्सो ही एडेड व्हेन आयरन मास्टर से दैट आई वुड कॉल द पुलिस और द शेरिफ, ही ऑल्सो सेड दैट दिस होल वर्ल्ड इज लाइक ए रेड ट्रैप and no one can escape from this world's rat trap. Anyone who try to touch the bait, he would fall, and in the same way he had also fall. and one day it would also be the turn of Ironmaster. Next question, why did Adela still entertain the peddler even after she knew the truth about him? एडला स्टिल एंटरटेन द पेडलर, एडला ने अभी भी एंटरटेन क्यों किया, उसका पक्ष क्यों लिया पेडलर का, जबकि सच्चाई सामने आ गई थी. सी रिप्लाइड इन दैट वे दैट, व्हाट डिड सी से, दैट बिकॉज वी हैव प्रोमिस्ड अ पर्सन टू cheer the Christmas, so we should not chase such a person to whom we have promised for the Christmas celebration, and we have invited this person, so we should not chase him away. So that's why she entertained the peddler even after knowing the truth. Next question, why was Adela happy to see the gift left by the peddler? एडला खुश क्यों हुई पेडलर के द्वारा जो गिफ्ट छोड़ा गया था उसको देख करके? एडला became happy because no one had given her a gift on the Christmas, and she became happy that someone had given at last a gift, and she also became happy when she saw that also she became happy that the peddler had left 30 kroner in the rat trap. She became very happy, and when she also have read the letter, she became more happy that he had also left all the thievery. Next question, why did the peddler sign himself as Captain Wenstall? So the peddler signed himself as Captain Wenstall because he had been respected by Adela Williamson as a captain, as if he was a captain. So in return he also wanted to be captain, क्योंकि उसको कैप्टन के रूप में रिस्पेक्ट दिया गया था. He was totally changed. Now he was also feeling that I'm not a thief, I'm also a captain, and that's why he had at last also signed as a captain. Now he was totally changed person. Next question, how does the peddler interpret the act of kindness and hospitality shown by the crofter, ironmaster, and his daughter? Three persons have shown their kindness and hospitality towards crofter, towards peddler. One is crofter, another is ironmaster, and third is his daughter Adela Williamson. So first, crofter, he had given him food, shelter, tobacco, but how did he interrupt it for it? He had broken his faith, he had stolen his money. Ironmaster, he thought he is his friend or acquaintance, and he also peddler also deceived him by saying nothing about it, that is not his friend. But the daughter's behavior totally changed him. The sympathetic and kind of behavior of the Adela Williamson had totally changed him when she says, even after knowing truth about him that he is not the friend of his father, she entertained him to stay at her home, that he should stay at home, and also she had invited for next year Christmas. So he was totally changed from the behavior of daughter. Next question, what are the instances in the story that show the character of the ironmaster is different that from the daughter? In many ways. You can say the first is observance. Ironmaster observed the person as his old acquaintance. He has not so good power of observance, and the lady, the girl Adela Williamson, she had such good observance power that she could recognize him as a thief at the very first sight. She was saying either he had stolen something or he had escaped from the jail. Next, the behavior, the precision power, as Ironmaster himself said that his daughter was having more precision power. He invited him again and again, but he couldn't come. But when she had gone to invite him, he came with her. And also when reality came, Ironmaster said that you will have to go out. He was also ready to call police, but the daughter entertained him even after knowing the truth. So these are the differences from the text. Next question, the story has many instances of unexpected reactions from the characters to others behavior. कुछ unexpected reactions हैं जो स्टोरी के अंदर आए हैं. Suppose the first one, the crofter, he welcomed. The crofter welcomed to whom? Crofter welcomed to the peddler. Peddler को welcome करता है. He was not expecting this. Next, peddler was not expecting that he would show him 30 kroner. And crofter was also not expecting that he would steal his money. Next, you can say when he was in iron mill, the peddler was in iron mill, he was not expecting that this iron master would call him his old acquaintance. उसको अपना old acquaintance बताएगा और welcome करेगा. He was not expecting. When he had gone, he was not expecting Adela Williamson, the daughter of iron master, would also come there. And also you can say that when the truth came, iron master was not expecting that he would tell about the world as a rat trap, such a knowledgeable thing. ये पूरा वर्ल्ड रेड ट्रैप है, ऐसी बात वो उसको बताएगा. सो देर आर सो मैनी इंस्टेंसेज ऑफ अनएक्सपेक्टेड बिहेवियर. अनएक्सपेक्टेड बिहेवियर ऑफ एडला व्हेन द ट्रुथ केम आउट. सच्चाई सामने आ गई तो उसको ऐसी कोई आस नहीं थी कि एडला उसके साथ ऐसा बिहेव करेगी, उसको वहाँ पर रखेगी. या फिर एट द एंड ऑफ द डे एट नाइट शी वुड से दैट यू कैन इवन कम फॉर द नेक्स्ट क्रिसमस. सो देर आर सो मैनी अनएक्सपेक्टेड बिहेवियर इन द स्टोरी. What made the peddler finally change his ways? Once again the same question. The behavior of the daughter of Adela Williamson changed his behavior. We have already discussed. How does the metaphor of the rat trap serve to the highlight of human predicament? Human predicament की जो दशा है, अब मानवीय दुर्दशा है, that the whole world is like a rat trap and they are greedy, they are always tempted towards the different type of bets. So how the metaphor of a rat trap has been highlighted through it. So the author Selma Lagerlof, with the help of her character, that is peddler, she has shown that how the world is like a rat trap. Its riches, joys, seas, lands, heat, clothing, all these things are like a bait. They attract towards itself. To the human beings, and when anyone try to touch, like a rat touch the bat, in the same way anyone try to touch it, they also been caught in this world of rat trap. Next question, the peddler comes out as a person with a subtle sense of humor. How does this serve in highlighting the seriousness of the thing, where we see the sense of humor, especially when such type of example you can take from the story, when the peddler is giving an example of rat trap in front of the iron master. When the truth came, जब सच्चाई आ जाती है, and iron master is saying that there would be no problem, no surprise, that the sheriff would say anything in this matter. Sheriff को बुला लेते हैं, कुछ भी नहीं होगा. At that time he come forward and also struck the fist on the table and he says that the whole world is a rat trap, and one day you would also fall into the big rat trap when you would try to catch a big bait. So at that time even Iron Master also laughed. So such a sense of humor has been shown in this particular story. So that's all for today. We will continue in the next.